So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today I'll be going to unbox the iPhone XR 128GB. As you can see the box here, I got it for 64,99900, that is 65,000 almost. And you can see the box. I used it for 1 week and I took some pictures when I went to a trip, and you can see I recently went to Kasoli, so I took some pictures. I'll show you, and I'll show you the camera test. So guys, let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, I already unboxed it, so I repacked it. So guys, you can first see the box here. It is 128GB. You can read here. If you want to, you can pause and read. iPhone XR black color. And so guys, here you can see iPhone, and the next video will be iPhone XS unboxing to 56GB. So guys, let's get started and unbox it. So guys, here I open the iPhone XR, and you can see here is our iPhone XR. We'll first keep it aside, and we'll keep it here and check what are the accessories inside the box. And here you can see some Apple stickers and hello, and you can see we will also keep it aside. And here are the Apple ports, and here's the slow charger. I don't know why they didn't give like the fast charger. It would be better. And the iPhone XR supports fast charging, and still Apple doesn't give like the fast charger. That is the con about it. Like, and here's the lightning cable, and we will keep it back, and now we'll pack it again. And designed by Apple in California, and you can see. And let's get towards the phone, and you can see face unlock is working fine, face ID, and you can see my wallpaper. And let me turn off the light. Here you can see this is pretty good. We will turn the brightness to full so that you can easily see. So guys, it's good. So guys, now first we will remove the seal before using it. Here is the seal, and we will remove it easily. So guys, now the seal is removed, and we will throw it. And now let's check out the phone. So guys, Instagram, and let's check the speed. 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, it is pretty fast. The net is not here, that is why it's not working properly. The Wi-Fi in this room is not that good. And you can see here is the WhatsApp and YT Studio. Let's check the speed of the YT Studio. 3, 2, 1, go. You can see speed is overall good, but the Wi-Fi is not working. So guys, let's open YouTube. 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, it's open. So guys, now let's open the camera. Wait, let me check. Okay, now you can see here are the recent apps, and let's open the camera. It's pretty fast. And now I'll show you some pictures that I clicked, and you can see everything is working fine. And this is the iPhone XR black color. You must go for the black color if you like premium. And now let's see the case, and this is the case of the ring key. You can see we will put it on, and now let's see how it looks in the case. It looks pretty good in the case, even though it looks more solid in the case, and it's so heavy, and it's good. And it's 6.1 inch. You can see I'll use face ID. See guys, face ID is so fast. And now, so guys, I'll show you some pictures. Let's click one picture here, and it has a portrait mode, but only like it can click pictures of people, not the things. So guys, let me click one picture in normal mode. See guys, the picture is a like good picture. And so guys, this is overall a good picture. You can see the iPhone XR is. So guys, if you think which one you should go for, like the iPhone 10 or the XR, let me tell you, you must go for the iPhone XR, because this is bigger and it has a A12 chip, and the iPhone X has A11. And guys, so guys, this was all for today's video, and now you can see the pictures. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye.